Tatyana's there! Woo! Look at it! In their mini car, she did it! Long way she drove. Oh!
So I'm on my way back to France. Selmar says I have to film this. I haven't had any sleep. I'm really tired. I checked this little, I can't believe I almost barely didn't make it. I don't know how I made it on this boat. I left a little bit late, but I gave myself a lot of time, and then I left a little bit late, and I just kept finding things I needed to pack, and I was getting later and later, so then I left. But then I had enough time, but then it just seemed like every time it added on a little bit, Google Maps just kept adding on another 10 minutes, another 10 minutes. And I really went like 3 times to the toilet before I left, because I'm bad like that, so I really have to make sure. And like an hour in, I was bursting. I thought I was gonna wet myself. I'll tell you more what happened when I get to know you better, but I bought this little porta potty to take with me, and I bought it and I packed it, like it's the first thing that I packed, and then I couldn't find it when I needed to go. But anyway, I made it, and I'm on the boat, and I will be back in France soon to see all of you lovely people. And I hope this doesn't sound weird, because I'm very tired. I haven't had any sleep. I'm going from Dover. I went from the Norfolk-Suffolk border to Dover this morning. I left at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and then I'm going from Dover to Calais, and then I'm driving down to my friend Jodie's house to see her for a little while. That's about 6 hours. That's quite near Pezens, and I'll stop and see her for 2 days, and then I'll go all the way down to the south. So, see you soon. Thank you for following us. Bye. So I'm going to get my car so I can drive first to Jodie's house, and then to I think it's Pezens. I can't remember where I'm going after. I'll let you know. So I had a quick gulp of tea. I have this massive thermos. I can't lift it. It's so big. So I don't dare have a lot, because my bladder is like the size of a plum. But I just had a quick gulp and waiting to go. So I had an emergency before I left. I had to buy a new car, because my cute little car, the mechanic said they didn't think it was really strong enough to make the journey. So I spent all last week searching for a new car, and then going to look at cars, and then buying it and taking it to a mechanic just to check it out. So it's been a stressful week, and I didn't get any of the things that I wanted to get done, and I'm kind of a nerd about stuff. I really stress a lot about things. And now I'm going to see Selmar, and well, first I'm going to see my friend Jodie, and then I'm going to see Selmar, because it's like I think it's like 12-hour drive, plus it's been it was 4 hours. It was supposed to be like 2 hours 50 minutes and it ended up being like 4 hours from my house to Dover. So see you soon. Thank you for following us. Big kiss. Bye. I'm here and I think it's the right chateau, and I drove down there, but it doesn't look like the picture that Selmar showed me, and I got scared and I left because I didn't want to trespass on anyone's property. I think it's the right chateau though, because the name is on the post box, and that's the name on the name is on the gate, so I'm just a bit little nervous. Here's Selmar screaming, woohoo, woohoo! Look, there he is. Do you see him in the field? Look. Maybe, I don't know.
So pretty.
I've gained a lot of weight. I'm very self-conscious of it.
There you are.
Oh, you smell good. You smell like a baby.
Good, you smell like a baby. You had a long trip, eh?
Yes, it was terrible. Well, I'm exaggerating.
Yeah,
it wasn't really
time,
terrible.
A long little drive for you.
Yes.
Oh, come. But you didn't recognize it.
Well, it doesn't look like the picture you showed me. I saw the sign. I thought, yes, because it didn't come up on Google Maps. And I thought, ha ha ha, I'm so sweet. I'll just drive right down there and announce myself. And then I drove down and I saw a car there, but I didn't see anyone. And then I drove over the bridge because it didn't really look like the chateau. And then I thought, well, I'll see your camper and then I'll come and surprise you. And then I went in and I didn't see a camper, and I started thinking, uh-oh, this is the wrong house. It doesn't look like the house. And I saw some people and they didn't look like Elf in Georgia.
They came out?
Some people came out, but I was far, they didn't see me. And then I thought, should I ask them? And I thought, no, I don't want to explain. My friend just gotten so bad, I don't want to explain to them who I am. And then I'm looking for Elf in Georgia.
Grocery.
So, and then I knocked on the door. I looked around and I thought, I'm getting out of here. I don't want to get trespassing. I don't want to get in trouble. I drove up before and it just didn't look like the few pictures that I saw. So I just thought, oh my gosh, I'm in the wrong place. And some people will come out any minute and demand to know what I'm doing on their property. Like, I drove down here. And I did see a car, but then I saw some people. I don't think they could see me where I was parked coming out of here. And then they didn't look like Elf in Georgia, so I got nervous and left. I was like over there, over that bridge. Wait for Selmar. My passenger seat's full, so I couldn't take him with me. I'll just wait for him.
So
I got this little kit so that I would be like to do everything properly and legally.
I don't even have that, eh?
And it has like all of like the yellow vest.
The yellow vest, yes.
And I got this little thing. You know, I was worried about driving on the right side of the road, so I got this. I made this so that I could make sure
to remind me stay on the right side.
On the right, but I didn't really need that because I got that sticker, which I'll show you. And I got my European driver's handbook.
You are very good prepared, darling.
I got this little.
Oh, it is. Oh, that is an.
By law, if you're driving in Europe, you need this. All of this stuff.
Is that so?
Yes.
I have no idea.
At least in France, you need to. But all of this.
Because I do this now for 12 years. I never had that.
In case you have an accident, you need that in your yellow vest.
Yeah.
And I have it if anyone wants an extra sticker that we know. I put one.
Yeah, you can see. Oh yeah, on the window, eh?
UK, because you're not allowed to have GB anymore. It has to be UK.
Oh.
Lights, bulbs.
Yeah, that is very important.
In case you
I have that too. You never know, because that's dangerous if you going drives under. What's that?
You have to have this in your car, these alcohol tests.
Oh,
and
really?
I saw on YouTube that they don't even work properly. Not that it matters for me, but still.
Oh, you don't even drink.
No. And I got these, I'll show you. They're like, it's a sticker. And this is super, if anybody's driving, this is so helpful. It's like a sticker that shows you to drive on the right, and it's clear, so it's reversible.
Oh, okay.
The ink is opaque.
Oh, okay.
But the actual sticker part is clear, so you can reverse it when you're in the UK or when you're in Europe.
Yeah.
And I got stickers that show the speed limit, like this different speeds, the equivalent for kilometers. So this is the UK one, but the European one is. I'll show you.
Oh yes.
It seems.
Yeah, you cannot see it.
It's so simple. You can't see it.
Now I can see it. Oh no, not your hand. Yes. Okay.
It is so helpful because it just reminds you. Like, for example, when I was driving.
You've got a unicorn.
That was in the car, isn't that?
Really?
Yes.
No way.
That was in the car when I got it. Like, I didn't even know it.
Our logo.
I didn't even know it until.
That is funny.
Until I actually was here.
Okay.
I looked. Until I was in France, I mean.
So?
And also, my friend Peter, Jodie's husband, said just another trick is to say the curb is on my side. The curb's like on the right. So the curb my side, that keeps you remembering to drive on the right. But it wasn't so bad.
You did good.
That could have been because I practiced virtual driving for a month before.
Darling, I'm really proud of you. You've been so good prepared.
Yes.
And you're safe here. So yeah, it's very great what you did.
And
so
you
didn't drove for a long time.
I don't have a
Oh yeah, you're well. I don't have that stuff, so yeah,
It's important.
I can learn a lot from you. Yeah.
That was the tour.
That was the tour, safety tour
Oh, I
of
have these little.
Tatyana's safety tour. That was Tatyana's safety tour. Okay, all right. Then I go in my camper, get some stuff, and then we go back to the chateau. All right.